guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to be doing another kiss pour, and that is where we're going to fill up 2 cups with paint and pour them together. And I'm taking another color suggestion from Facebook, and this one's from Tara Moten. Sorry if I'm saying your last name wrong. And she said teal, royal purple, silver, and white, which were her wedding colors. So that's what we're going to do today. So in this cup, I'm going to go ahead and use the white and silver, and I'm going to layer these. And this is a 14 by 14 inch canvas, so I need about 12 ounces for the entire thing. And so I'll put about 6 ounces in each cup. Now I am going to throw a little twist in this though. I'm going to go ahead and throw just a dash of teal and purple on this side also. Just a little bit. The rest will be white and silver. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to speed this part up because it's just going to be a lot of filling here. All right, I've got my 2 cups here, and we're going to pour together as much as possible right in the middle. This is the fun part. It takes a little bit of coordination. I am loving these colors. Ooh. Got a little on the table there. So I'm just going to spread this excess around the canvas, making it a little easier to tilt. All right, I think that is gorgeous. So excellent color combination suggestion. I'm gonna go ahead and get this raised up, and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, let's start over here in the light corner. I love this. I think this side is actually my favorite. It's pretty soft and delicate, and for those who know me, I'm not really a silver fan in general, but I do love this. And then over here we have pretty much the dark side. I did throw a tiny splash of white and silver in there, but it's mostly the purple with the teal. And then the overall view, gorgeous. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much to Tara for this suggestion. Keep them coming, you guys, and I'll see you all next time.